We are pleased to show you 2010 Accord Crosstour. Versatility. Is it a sports car or pack it full of gear and it becomes an SUV? Accord Crosstour and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, XM satellite radio, four-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, heated seats, navigation system, air conditioning, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.